mga rosa jang mali wa kem tang janda shu pang.
Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance. Okay, hi guys, welcome to TIT Talk India Talk. So I hope you guys are having fun watching our videos. So today we are talking about Rajinikanth. So by the way, he's talent. We found him on road. So I was just walking by and I'm like Rajinikanth, and he's like, dude, I'm a Rajinikanth fan. So he paid all of us money. He's giving all of us 50 rupees to have him on the show. So Rajinikanth news time. So a case has been filed against Rajinikanth and his fans for wasting thousands of liters of milk when his films hit the screens. So Dr. Manivanna, wow, Manivanna. Okay, so Dr. IMS Manivanna has approached the court to prevent the Rajinikanth's fan from wasting milk. So this is a Hindustan Times report.
But there should be a joke, right? There should be a joke on Rajinikanth saying, case on Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth should put a case on case actually. That is what Rajinikanth do, right?
He's going to put a bullet on you, don't worry.
That is what Rajinikanth does. Come on.
I'm not a fan of Rajinikanth jokes.
I love Rajinikanth jokes and
Alright, forgive her, she's just a kid. Okay, alright, go ahead.
Rajinikanth jokes are awesome.
Yes, Papa. Anyways, I love Rajinikanth. I mean, he has done some really nice movies, really nice work. But this is really stupid. You actually do not have to waste that much of milk.
Can't.
So what do you think about it, Dhani? Do you like milk?
Yeah,
I don't like milk, but
I do, but then wasting on such things is really bad.
Well, I think as a Rajinikanth fan, I should be talking here instead of everybody giving an
yeah, he's given us 50 rupees also. Yeah.
Alright, listen to me.
Dude, you have to give us 100 rupees if you have to talk.
Sure. Alright, so we're actually banning a beef or pork or what, ban holi. It's like you have problems in water everywhere and a lot of issues. So
That's rain, guys. It's rain.
yeah, so just ban the rain.
Oh
That's
my
how it sounds
god!
like.
Is it like we're talking about Rajinikanth and it just started raining? Spoiling our video? Oh my god, I love
That's the power of
Rajinikanth.
Talaiva.
Okay.
Who is Talaiva?
Okay.
Hey, Talaiva, I think even Ajit is called Talaiva now.
No.
Then what is Ajit called?
Talai.
Okay,
Talai.
do not,
That's different.
Talai is big
do
or
not
Talai is
divert
big?
from the topic. Tell
Alright,
me,
alright.
is milk wasting justified, you Rajinikanth fan?
For a comedian, comedy
Yeah,
actor.
I mean
Well,
you
so-
put like milk on the poster.
He's a comedian, right? Rajinikanth. He does comedy movies. Or...
Not really. He does a lot of serious movies too. Action
No, I have
movies
seen. one action movie where he jumps, he kicks 20 people.
Oh.
Right.
Shows.
Right, that
turns up
happens
people that
in every Bollywood and every.
But
Not
Indian-
Bollywood, okay?
Yeah.
Tollywood.
Yeah. Bollywood too. That's how.
He
it
Ah.
jumps. No, listen. What happens?
Rohit Shetty is also from the south, okay?
What happens is he jumps. He kicks 20 people. Then there is a pause. He's in air and he shakes off dust from his shoes and he lands.
Only in India.
Is it action or is it?
Action.
See, that's the power of Talaiva. He throws a cigarette right like this on the air and shoots them, and the cigarette just burns itself and just comes and sits on his mouth. Who else can do that? That's the power of Rajinikanth.
I think visual effects can do that.
Graphics.
Yeah.
Not before like 30 years.
Yeah, I think
This is
VFX.
probably before 30
I
years.
think it is.
now. So-
Yeah. So we will tell you about technology. Rajinikanth fan.
Right.
We'll tell
30 years back, I don't think there was an issue.
Okay, guys. So yes, okay. So so we have a lot of Rajinikanth fan, and it's actually fun. All these movies are fun to watch. But wasting milk is not justified. There are a lot of poor people they do not get milk.
Right.
So you have to be offer flowers, dude. Like maybe throw flowers or just
done it.
clap. Please don't waste milk.
You can sell
Well,
it
so-
the other ways also.
Things always become extreme when it comes to India. It's one of those crazy things which has happened, so it's okay.
Okay, guys. So, anyways, it's raining and we have to go out and start dancing in the rain because it's really too hot, and I have not even taken bath today. So, yes, guys. Please do not waste milk on posters and all. Give it to poor people. They'll have fun drinking with Bonvita. Yeah. If you are a Rajinikanth fan, you have to like this video. subscribe, share, comment. Do let us know what you think about wasting milk, and do let us know about Rajnikant jokes, and you can send some jokes also. So yes, dude, you have to pay 100 rupees. Collect money from him, man.
Alright, so I'm bankrupt. I'm flying away.
Dance, lungi, dance, lungi.